Here is my fall wreath this year that is on like our little entryway door. And I got this one at HomeGoods and I just really liked the golden pine cones. It does have leaves on it. I wish it actually had more leaves, but the whole look of this was very cute and a little different, so I liked it. And these like sugared apples are so cute because apples are one of my like favorite fall motifs. So that is hanging on the door and it's pretty large, which I actually like. It's very like full looking. As always, here's a little overview of our main living space. And I feel like it's gotten a little simpler, but I don't know. I feel like I just don't have as many things out. This is our little entryway table. I'm not sure if I had this like faux orchid here the last tour that I had, but it's from IKEA and I just like having a faux plant here because I did not want to really take care of a real plant right now. In front of it, I have this super cute ceramic like Halloween ghost basket and it's so cute. I love that the bottom like basket part has all these like haunted house looking things. There's even like some jack-o'-lanterns and then little ghosts peeking out are so cute. I have some fall colored candies in there. And then this orange basket is from Michael's and I got it last year, but I think they have it every year. And it's what we use to hold our Halloween candy once we get it. And then these two like owls, they're kind of like heavy on the bottom so that they stand up straight. I went to a Oktoberfest celebration, local Oktoberfest with my husband, and there was this lady like selling these like hand sewn like decorations and I fell in love with them. And like I think owls can be used like year-round decorations, but I think of them a lot for the fall. And I really want to go back to her booth like next year, or hopefully she's available at more of the other craft shows that we go to because I like fell in love with her fall things and then she had some really cute Christmas things. So these are my newest, I think my newest additions to my fall decor. Right now we have nothing on the table because a lot of times I'll have my laptop and sit there or we'll eat or anything like that. Here is our like sideboard area and it's two cabinets that are sitting next to each other. This sign is, I think it's new. We had it on display at our wedding this summer, so now it hangs as decor here, and this isn't like the final place for it or anything, but we are actually going to move in about a month and a half, so I stuck it up there for now. And I like how it looks with the fall things because I think the dark gray like chalkboardy looking sign is very like rustic and fun for fall. On top of these two cabinets I have a long runner and I think this runner is very pretty. It's like embroidered pumpkins and vines and things, and I actually got it from Williams Sonoma. And then we have these two blue and white jars from HomeGoods, and I like the idea of just having these two out for every season and just putting like faux foliage or branches in them depending on the season. The leaves are from Michael's. This rose wood curl pumpkin, which is sparkly, it's very cute. This is from Hobby Lobby and I got it this year, but I also think that they have it like every year. I have my two candlesticks and my nice crystal candlestick holders that we got for our wedding. This bowl also got for our wedding. It's empty right now, but I do actually want to add like gold glitter pine cones to it so that it kind of matches our wreath, which is right there. On the other side of my rose wood curl pumpkin, we have this little candy jar that looks like a jack-o'-lantern, and there's nothing in it, but it's just so cute. And I actually got it from like a online resale site because I saw it in a video and I thought it was just so cute and I fell in love with the size, the shape, everything about it. Here is our TV stand, and the only real like decorations I put on our TV stand are these pillar candles that I change out for every season. We're about to watch It's the Great Pumpkin Charlie Brown, which is fun, and I have the faux fire going. These pillar candles are from Michael's, and I think I actually got them last year too, and I just never used them, so they work out perfectly for this space. Our bookcase is also here, but there's nothing really seasonal in there. Here is our couch and coffee table. I was just sitting there, so my drink is there. We have these 2 orange velvet pillows. The pillow inserts were from Christmas that I showed like a while ago, but I've just been changing the covers for each season, and I love that for storage and also just to instantly change up the look of your space. And the orange velvet pillow covers are from Etsy. That plaid throw is from Pottery Barn this year. I have been keeping the coffee table super simple. We actually are, like I said, about to move, so I do want to sell the couch and the coffee table because they're just not my favorites, and they just are not the look that I'm going for. So those will go up soon. But just to keep it simple but also still decorative, we have this little like woven like rattan tray that I actually got from Amazon, which I thought was good, and I wanted something super small because I only wanted to keep a candle, our coasters, and then our remotes on there. So this candle is from Bath & Body Works, and it's the pumpkin apple candle, which is my all-time favorite fall Bath & Body Works candle, and I think it's so underhyped, and I think it's the best one, better than Leaves, better than Sweet Cinnamon Pumpkin. And this gold glitter pumpkin candle stand was from Bath & Body Works last year. The coasters on here are little beaded pumpkin coasters, and these are from Pier 1, also last year. So I'm glad that I can finally have some things that can last me through the years, because I am not really the type to buy seasonal decorations brand new every single year. Our kitchen is like a little messy, I think, just because we have a lot of things out because we have to. We got this new cart between the time that I did the spring tour to now, and I really like that it has like a little rod here that I can put more decor so that right when you walk in you see the seasonal towels. This top one is a really cute like embroidered candy corn one that I got at my local grocery store, and it was like way too expensive for a single kitchen towel, but it was so cute and I've never seen anything like it, and it's super simple, which is what I like. And then these orange kitchen towels, which are also on the oven and also by the sink. These are by Williams Sonoma, and we just have different colors of these for most of the seasons. I don't think we have them for every season or holiday. On top of the stove, I do have this pumpkin spoon rest, which I got from Kohl's this year, and I think this is also something that they have almost every year. We're currently making some slow cooker applesauce because we have a lot of apples right now, because my mother-in-law and father-in-law sent us a bunch of apples, like a lot of apples from New York, which is known to have very good apples. So it smells so good, and I can't wait to eat that. Then also by the sink, of course, you have to have some sort of Mrs. Meyer's seasonal scent, right? But the apple cider dish soap and hand soap are honestly some of the best smelling hand soaps ever. And again, I'm a huge apple fan, apple scents like all year round, but this really, I don't know what it is, but it is like spicy enough to make it more fall-like rather than like a summer apple or anything like that. So these are always my favorites. I honestly haven't tried her other limited edition fall scents, but these are just so good. I don't feel the need to. This is where our little tiny coffee station is. We got a new coffee situation after our wedding, and I have just one fall mug right now. I have been decluttering a lot just because of the move, and just because like a little bit like my tastes have changed just this past year. So for now we only have this one, which is also from Pottery Barn. And we also have, you can see here, the pumpkin spice Nespresso capsules, which are really good if you like pumpkin spice.